इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
आचार्य सुनील सागर सेवा संघ के इन सभी मुख्य कार्यकर्ताओं खूब सारा मंगल आशीर्वाद। आपकी सेवा, आपकी भक्ति, आपकी श्रद्धा सराहनीय है, धन्य है। गुरुदेव के चरणों में जो आप आए हैं सो आपके जीवन का बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य है। मैं प्रार्थना करूँ सौभाग्य और भी जीवों को प्राप्त हो और इसी जिस तरह से आप आदर्श बने हैं पूरे समाज के लिए, इसी तरह से बाकी लोग भी आदर्श बने और आदर्श भक्ति सेवा की एक मिसाल पेश करे सबके सामने। बोलिए अच्छा गुरुदेव सुनील सागर जी महाराज की। I move with my heart, with my soul in front of this all pious soul. And in this Vain Sorrow, Acharya Gurudev Sunil Saji Maharaj wrote so nice, so fantastic quotation. No, we in you, whatever we deliver, it's like just simple word. Whatever he will deliver, we have no any upama. We can't compare this thing with any materialistic thing. There is no word. How sweet, how glorious, how enlightened word is there. The person who is living life in ignorance. There is too much delusion, illusion, everything is in mind, his heart and his soul. So whatever deliver, maybe thousands person, lakhs of person, millions and billions viewers should be there. Everybody is clapping, cheering, dancing, everything is there. But there is no light in heart. What is use of this all materialistic achievements? If you don't know what is the real knowledge, I told before some days, 18 dosh, janam jara mrityu, death and birth and oldness, raga dvesh, hatredness and love. If these things are there, these are the symbol of Vitaragi. This is a symbol of God. God means he is no hatredness, he is no love. He is not getting distant with somebody and he is not run away for something, for somebody. There is no need. Then sleeping. He can't feel sleep. Because of Kevala Jnana, na? Why we are feeling sleep? This is the body. Because of body we have to give food and shelter and this and that, so many things are there. But he is also in body, Tirthankar Bhagwan, Arhanta Bhagwan. But he has no attachment with body. So whatever body want, food and thirst, hunger, thirst, sleep, there is not Lakshana Vitaragi. Nothing is like that. That person who is not these all things, he is God. Whatever deliver, that is Agam, that is Dan, that is Sa, that is real truth. When I'm seeing here, when I'm saying to you, I'm unable to see here. Why? Limitations of our these senses. But he is getting knowledge. He isn't getting knowledge by senses. He is getting knowledge by soul. We have no clue of it. We can't understand. We didn't think, we can't imagine. Without eyes, without ear, without nose, without tongue, without touch sense, without all senses, anybody can get knowledge. We can't even think, we can't think this thing. So the person who got this much purity, pure soul, Tirthankar Adinath Bhagwan, Tirthankar God, Mahavir Swami, disciple, Acharya Gurudev, his follower, his lover, Acharya Gurudev Sunil Saji Maharaj. He told so nice, fantastic sutra in Vain Sorrow. Kanado kajjam setam sahinnuttam paroparam mittiya jivamatte suttam logunnadikaram suttam logunnadikaram. This fantastic sutra he told, Lok Unnatikar Sutra. Not only human being, not only animals, not only the birds and insects, for whole universe, If any soul is implementing, executing, following this path, so surely whoever will follow this path, surely he get rise, upliftment in life. Somebody is telling, I am not feeling any suffering, I have no problem, my life is problem free. Okay, consider, if your life is problem free, then you will get next level, economical field, in social field, in moral field, in your materialistic life, in relations wise. So if you're incomplete with any relation, so surely it will reflect in each and every area of your life. Now our parents, who were there? Who were there? They are simple human being. So maybe they can commit any mistake, any fault is possible in any human being. So parent were also, or parent are also human being. So whatever did something wrong with us, till when we will not forget and forgive, we can't go ahead in any field of life, any field of, not only me, not only you, but for each and every person of this universe. Not nowadays, before some millenniums and after some millennium, it's a fact. Everybody is recreating, everybody is reliving his childhood. After, according astrology, 27 nakshatras are there. So 27 years old person, it means one cycle complete. Then 28 year means first year. 29 year means second year. Again the cycle will start. According to this philosophy of nakshatras, according Indian astrology, so after 27 year, we will repeat the same thing in our life. According other BCP system, Bhragu Chakra Paddhati, according that, 12 houses are in your chart, in birth chart and horoscope. So only 12 na? So after 12 year, you will repeat the same thing. 13 year means first year. What will happen in first year? Maybe, takriban, approximately, you will repeat 31 just like way first year, and 14 means just like second year. After 12 year, the cycle will repeat. These are also biorhythmic cycle is there. If you know biorhythmic, you can Google it. Biorhythmic cycle is there. After different cycles are there. Wisdom cycle, and intellect cycle, and physical cycle, and emotional cycle. So many cycles are there. So you're repeating your childhood everywhere, no matter how big, how rich, how powerful you are. So if you're not satisfied with your child, whatever happened was happened. Now my age is 50. So whatever happened, it happened. There is no need to carry that baggage, that burden of past on my shoulder. That past will kill, finish life. So if you want to get rise, as I was told so nice thing, कहना जो कज system, actions speak louder than words. Actions are more powerful, so powerful than words. What you're telling, it's no value. What you're leaving, whatever your character, your behavior, actions are telling, it's very powerful. Powerful. Very powerful. So many persons are there. The words are so nice, so fantastic. So great. How sweet, how attractive, how glorious, how charming the words are there. Oh, whatever they are delivering, whatever they are telling, they are not following own words. The person who is not following own words, there is no integrity. Suppose there is no air in your bicycle, there is no air in tire of your car, in your car. What will happen? you can't reach the destination. So if the person who is telling something X and doing something Y and thinking something Z, there is no alignment in these three things. मन में हो सो वचन उचरिए, वचन हो सो तनु सो करिए. That is the way of manifesting the things. If you want to actualize your dream, Tachaji told कि your actions is more powerful than your words. And the next thing is delivering proparam sahinottam. Sahinottam means sahishnuta. Proparam means paraspar, in each other. A very so nice understanding, or not just understanding, is a more better that thing. What is tolerance power? What is it? Tolerance power. You know why fightings are happening? Two countries are fighting with each other. We can see two countries are fighting each other. Why two countries are fighting? Two communities are fighting with each other. In one community, in one religion, two sects are fighting with each other. In your family, in your house, two persons are fighting with each other. Why? Because of lack of tolerance. It is the tolerance power. That is a fantastic way to get rise in your life. I don't know what is spirituality. I don't know what is religion. I don't know what is swadhyaya and what is chanting up mantras. I don't know about these all things. But I know only one thing. I know only one thing. And what is it? Your tolerance power. Something told your mate person, your mind, your gadha, whatever. Somebody abusing. What is happening na? Just words are there na. Don't run away with words. If you want to give place in your heart, then words of God, Janvani, Agam, Shastras, holy words of holy saints. So many pious words are there which can give the peace of mind and enlightenment in life. You're leaving those all words. You're leaving those all words. You're living, you're no attachment with those all words, but you too much attachment with those words of abusing. Somebody abused you, condemned you, blamed you. So he forgot it. He or she forgot those all things. He's living his life according his way. He's enjoying his life in hotels and parties and this and that. But that person is there. Now you're here. You're remembering, oh, before 1 minute or 1 hour or 1 day, before 1 week, before 1 month, before 1 year, before some year, he did this thing. She did this thing. He told so bitter, so nasty words. He abused like me. He condemned me, blamed me. He told me like that. I can't forget this thing. The last beat of my life. Okay, tell me, answer me. I'm asking one thing to you. When you will die, who will cry? Answer me. When you will die, who will cry? This is spirituality, tolerance power. The seed of success. Not spiritual world, but also in materialistic world. Every day I'm quoting this thing. Spirituality and materialistic world both are same thing. Just like track of rail, train. Just one patri, one track is there, train can't go ahead. Just only this side path is there, train can't go ahead. Both like this. Not like this. Not like this. Just like this. Distance. Honorable distance. If honorable distance in each and every relation, that is the power. Not only power, money also. Not only money, peace of mind. Not peace of mind, but spirituality also there. Somebody told something hard, something bitter. So there is no need to feel I'm insulted. Nah, there's no need. It's your decision, nah. It's your decision. Sometimes something happened. Nobody told something bitter, something harsh, but feeling insulting. He insulted me, she insulted me. At that occasion, in that occasion, nobody was to pick up me and drop me. Nobody is there to recognize me. That is the biggest issue of so many persons' life. It's a life issue. It's a very, very, very huge. It's a very great issue for so many persons. Recognition. Leave it this all. Who will? When you will die, then who will recognize you? After some years, your photo from your drawing room, your child will tell, your children will tell, the person who will renovate that house, he will tell, hey, old photo, throw it. And new photo will come there. Don't run after name and fame and money in this all things. These all mortal things. One is, what is the immortal? Your tolerance power. Somebody is doing something, then leave it. Okay. His good deed, his bad deed with him. And my good deed, my bad deed with me. I will get whatever in my life in this birth, in next birth. It's okay, I got it. ऐसे नहीं होता है. But why this thing is like barrier and path of your success? That is, there is no tolerance power. Now in this human birth, we got opportunity to increase this much peace or this much restlessness. Your tolerance power, then this much tolerance power means this much peace of mind. If there is no peace of mind, you can't attain the enlightenment on the spiritual level.
दीप से दीप जलाते चलो, ज्ञान की ज्योति जगाते चलो, ज्ञान की गंगा बहाते चलो. पूजाचा श्री आदिशंकर जी महाराज, उनके पट्टाधीश ईश्वर पूजाचा श्री नागरिक जी महाराज, उनके शिष्य पर पूजा श्री मनसानी जी महाराज, उनके शिष्य पर पूजा सरस्वती सागर जी महाराज, उनके शिष्य चतुर्पट्टाधीश पर पूजा श्री सागर गुरुदेव के चरणों में अंदर प्राप्त है.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन.